There are three major newspapers A, B, C, of which at least two are read by 35% of the population. Okay, right. You first of all, the problem involves with three newspapers. You may say those newspapers as A, B, C, and it is given that at least two are read by 35% of the population. Among these three newspapers, at least two are read by 35% of the population. Okay. Next, it is known that newspaper C is read by 45% of the population and the newspapers A and B are read by 15%. Okay. Newspaper C is read by 45% of the population. Okay. And the newspapers A and B are read by 15%. Since the newspapers A and B, then you need to consider that N of A intersection B is equals to 15%. Okay, out of the total population, 15% of the population read both the newspapers A and B, as well as 45% of the population read newspaper C. Okay, right. And that all the three are read by 10%. Okay, all the three newspapers are read by 10% of the population. So N of A intersection B intersection C is 10%. Now the question is about what percent of the population read only newspaper C. We need to calculate the number of persons, the percentage of the persons who read only newspaper C. That's what we need to find. Okay, just observe the question once again. The problem involves with three newspapers A and B. Then in the sense the persons, the percentage of the persons who read the newspapers A, B and C. Okay, these A, B and C are the names of the different newspapers. At least two newspapers are read by 35% of the population and newspaper C is read by 45%. So we need to take that 45 as N of C and both A and B by 15%. And all the three are by 10%. We need to calculate the number of persons who read only newspaper C. Okay, see already I gave you a clear idea between only C and C. C, the persons who read newspaper C is 45%. That in the sense among those 45% of the people, some people may read only newspaper C, some people may read along with C some other newspapers also. So now we need to identify the persons, the percentage of persons who read only newspaper C. Right. So I will solve the problem using Venn diagram. I will go with the Venn diagram. Okay. So since there are three newspapers, I need to sketch three circles, each one for one newspaper. Okay. You may say one circle is for newspaper A and the other circle is for B and one more circle is for C. Okay. At the end, A intersection B intersection C is given as 10. So all the three newspapers are read by 10% of the population. So this value is 10. Right. Next, N of A intersection B is 15%. So both the newspapers A and B are read by 15%. So in this part, this region indicates A intersection B. In this part, there must be 15%. Already 10 is there. So you need to take more 5 here and that 5. Okay. And the next thing is at least 2 by 35%. At least 2 means at least 2. At least 2. Okay, once again I am repeating at least 2 in the sense 2 or more than 2. The number of persons who are reading 2 newspapers are more than 2. 3 newspapers. That is the sense 2 newspapers or 3 newspapers are read by 35% of the population. See, if you observe the diagram, this part is 10 directly given. This part is 5 from N of A intersection B. And here we don't know these two parts. The persons who are reading A and C, take it as X. The person who are reading B and C, take it as Y. We don't know those two values. For some time, take it as X and Y. Now, as per this statement, at least 2 by 35%. As per this statement, at least 2 means the number of persons who are reading either 2 papers or more than 2 papers. That in the sense, this 5 are reading 2 papers A and B. This X are reading 2 papers A and C. That Y are reading 2 papers B and C. So the number of persons who are reading exactly 2 papers means 5 plus x plus 5, and 3 papers means 10. So these 4 parts, these 4 regions together indicates the number of persons who are reading at least 2, and from there it is very clear that sum of these 4 values is 35. So this 35 is 5 plus 10 plus x plus y. So since 5 plus 10 plus x plus y is 35, from there it is very clear that x plus y is equals to 20. Okay. Now I need to calculate the number of persons who read only newspaper C. This circle is completely for the persons who are reading C, and this question mark region is only C. Okay, I need to find the question mark value, and this total circle as per the given situation n of C is given as 45. So this total circle is related to the 45. So you need to add all these values and you need to equalize it for 45. So to solve that, I need to go with this. This total circle is 45. Okay. So 10 plus x plus y plus question mark is equals to 45. This x plus y I found it as 20. So 10 plus 20 is 30, and that question mark value is 50. At the end, this question mark value is 15, and that in the sense there are 15% of the population who read only newspaper C. Okay, just have a look once again. What is the given information for the problem and what we are finding. Just look there. There are 3 newspapers A, B and C. All the 3 newspapers are read by 10%. 2 papers A and B are read by 15%. And newspaper C is read by 45%. And we need to calculate the number of persons who are reading only newspaper C. So first of all, sketch the diagram. Venn diagram. 10 is common for all the 3. For A and B it is given as 15, so this value is 5. We don't know the persons reading A and C and persons reading B and C. Take them as X and Y. But it is given that at least 2 are read by 35%. At least 2 it is indicated by the regions, these 4 regions together. So these 4 values together will give us 35. So from there X plus Y is 20. At the end, we need to find that question mark value which represents the number of persons who are reading only newspaper C, and for that question mark value use this n of C as 45, add now these 4 values, equalize it to 45, from there question mark value is 15. Okay, just have a look. Next problem, 20th B. See, the problem is about complaints about a student's hostel mess. Fill into 3 categories. Okay, right, 20th B. And the problem is about the complaints about the hostel mess, and it is about the number of complaints. Complaints regarding the mess of the hostel, food of the hostel and service of the hostel, and the total number of complaints received were 173. As per that, total number of complaints received were 173, and the complaints are regarding mess as well as food as well as the service. Okay, and now different values is given here. Okay, n of m is equals to 110, it is given. N of f is equals to 55 is given. N of s is equals to 67 is given. N of m intersection f intersection s complement is equals to 20 is given. N of m intersection s intersection f complement is equals to 11 is given. N of f intersection s intersection m complement is equals to 16 is given. And determine the number of complaints about all the 3, about 2 or more than 2. Okay, right, we need to find out number of complaints about all 3, that's the one part, and the other part complaints about 2 or more than 2. For these 2 questions we need to answer. Okay, just have a look at the problem once. Yeah, the problem is about the complaints regarding the hostel, and the complaints are regarding to the mess food and service. Total number of complaints are 173. So regarding complaints regarding mess, food and service, the total number of complaints are 173. So we need to take this 173 as n of m union f union s. The total number of complaints. So union, combination of all those complaints is 173. So among 110 complaints are regarding m, 55 complaints are regarding food, and 67 complaints are regarding service. And just look there the statement. N of m intersection f intersection s complement. That in the sense complaints about mess, food, but not about the service is 20. That in the sense totally they received 20 complaints, and those 20 complaints are together for mess and food, but they are not complaining about service. And there are 11 complaints. The people complained about the mess and service, but they are not complaining about food. Okay, and more 16 persons who are complaining about food and service, but they are not complaining about the mess. Okay, right. About all the, we need to find the number of complaints about all the three. So there are some persons, some students who complained all the three categories, and we need to count those total number of complaints. Okay, right. So again I solve the problem using a Venn diagram. So for that we need to sketch a diagram. So one circle for the M, one circle for the F, and one circle for the S. So the first circle is for mess, second circle is for food, and third circle is for service. Right. Now just have a look. We need to find the number of complaints about all the three. That in the sense the number which is common for all the three categories M, F and S I need to find. I don't know, at the end I am going to find. So take it as X. Okay. And then look there. M intersection F intersection S complement. So is 20. M, F and not there in S. Okay, you need to understand that word, that notation. M intersection F intersection S complement means 20 is the number for M and F together, but not for S. So M and F, these two circles, the common region is this part, but we need to neglect S, and that's why the 20 should be there in this part only. This is the region which is common for M and F, but not for S. So this region represents 20. And in the similar manner, M, S but not F, this is 11, and F and S but not M, this is 16. So all those values I have. And one more thing, as they given N of M is 120. So the total number of values must be in this circle is 110. So the total number must be in that circle is 110. Already how much is there? 20, 11 and X is there. So the remaining count I need to write here. So 110, the total must be 110, right? So this part contains 110 minus sum of these two values. 110 minus 20 minus 11 minus X. So which is equals to how much? Yeah, 100, 80, 79 minus X, I think so. Is it clear? So if this part contains only 79 minus X, that 79 minus X plus 20 plus X plus 11, then these four values, the sum of these four values will give us 110. Okay, since N of M is 110, sum of these four values must be 110. So it can't cross that 110, it can't down that 110, so it must be 110. To maintain that 110, we need to subtract these three values from 110 and write that result 79 minus X in that region. Okay, then coming to food, which is mentioned as 55. So this part, how many complaints are there about only food? That's what I am going to identify. Actually we don't know. For that, since this total circle must contain 55, so 55 minus 20 minus 16 minus X, and this result is equals to 55 minus 20 is what? 35, and minus 10 is 25, minus 6 is 19, so this circle is 19 minus X. And what about this region? This region is only S. So S is 67. You need to subtract 67 minus 11 minus 16 minus X. Okay? And I need to subtract 27, and that is 40 minus X. At the end, just have a look. This region just contains 79 minus X. That region just contains 19 minus X. And this region contains 40 minus X. Whereas in these regions we have the numbers like 20, 11, x and 16. And sum of the values in all the regions is just nothing but the union. So m union f union s, and that is given as 173. So now you just add everything and equalize it to 173. So 79 minus x, and the next thing is 19 minus x, and the next thing is 40 minus x, and then plus 20 plus 11 plus 16 and then plus x. Everything we need to add. We need to add the numbers in all these 7 regions. So if you add, what will happen? 1x and x will get cancelled. You will left with minus 2x. And whereas if you are adding the numbers, 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 9 is 16. Right? 16 plus 9 is 25. Next. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11 plus 7, 18. So 185 minus 2x is the result. If you add all those 7 regions, right? And that is given as 173. So this 185 minus 2x is equals to 173. From there it is very clear that 2x is equals to how much? 2x is equals to 12. Since 2x is equals to 12, x is equals to 6. At the end, since x is equals to 6, here you need to write the number 6. That means the number of complaints which are common, which are about all the 3, mess, food and service, is just 6. And that's the answer for this. All 3 is 6. Now the next question is number of complaints which are about 2 or more than 2. As I mentioned you in the previous problem also, see the regions which represents 2 or more than 2 is just nothing but sum of the values in these 4 regions. So you just add these 4 values and that gives us answer for this question. Okay, and what is that sum? If you think about it, this is 27 and 47 plus 6 is 53, and your answer about the number of complaints which are about 2 or more than 2 is 53. Okay, just have a look once again. I will go with the problem. So the total number of complaints are 173 and n of m is 110, f is 55, s is 67. M intersection F intersection S complement. M and F but not S is 20. M and S but not F is 11. F and S but not M is 16. And we need to calculate the number of complaints about all the 3 as well as the number of complaints about 2 or more than 2. Right. Now try to sketch its Venn diagram. So it reads 3 circles. One is for M, one is for F and one is for S. Since I don't know the intersection part of all the 3, that means the number of complaints about all the 3 I don't know, so let it as x. And this is given as 20 because M intersection F intersection S complement. Leave this circle and the common part is 20. So likewise mark these values 11 and 16 again. Now the first circle is totally about 110. So you need the total value is 110 if you add these 4 values. Since already I have 3, so subtract these 3 from 110, you will get that 79 minus x. In a similar manner, if you write that this is 19 minus x, this is 40 minus x. And at the end, you need to use this 173, which is the union of all the complaints. So add all these 7 region values, equalize it to 173, you get x as 6, and that 6 are the total number of complaints about all the 3. Okay, just have a look. Next problem, 20C. Right, look at the problem. In a music school, 28 students learn trumpet, 30 students learn violin, 32 students learn guitar. The problem is about the number of students of a music school, and it is given that number of students who are learning trumpet is 28 and the number of students learning violin are 30 and the number of students who are learning guitar is just nothing but 32. Okay. 6 students learn trumpet and violin. Okay. How many are learning trumpet and violin? 6 students. So trumpet intersection violin is equals to 6. And the next thing is 8 students learn violin and guitar. So violin intersection guitar is 8. And the next thing, 10 learn guitar and trumpet. So G intersection T is given as 10. And one more thing, the number of students who learn only one instrument is 54. Okay, it is given that the number of students who learn only one instrument. So you need to identify the word only one instrument. All this is the given data, okay? Only one instrument is given as 54. And one more thing, 20 students learn only violin, okay? Only violin is given as 20, right? The next thing, every students learn at least one instrument out of the three, okay? Everybody is learning at least one out of the three, okay? Right. Next thing is, find the number of students in the music school. Find the number of students who learn trumpet and guitar but not violin, okay? We need to answer these two questions, okay? Number of students who are learning in the music school, and the number of students who are learning trumpet and guitar but not violin, okay? First of all, we need to analyze the data. Once again, the problem is about the number of students of a music school, and there are 28 students who are learning trumpet, so n of t is 28. And there are 30 students who are learning violin, 32 who are learning guitar, and trumpet intersection violin is 6, violin intersection guitar is 8, guitar intersection trumpet is 10. Only one instrument is 54 and only violin is 20. Okay. And then what we need to find? We need to find the number of students in the music school, and another question, okay? The number of persons who are learning trumpet and guitar but not violin. That's what we need to answer, okay? First of all, think about the problem, try to solve for some time, and then I will discuss. Right, try to sketch its Venn diagram. So again, since there are three sets involved, you need to take three circles, okay? One circle is for trumpet, one circle is for violin, and one circle is for guitar, right? So three circles. Okay, right. We just mark them like this: trumpet, violin, and guitar. Okay, just think about it. See, at the end it is given that only violin are learned by 20 students. So only violin, in the sense this region just indicates 20. So this region, out of this guitar, out of this trumpet, in the violin is this region only violin, and that is given as 20. It is very clear. And one more thing is, only one instrument is given as 54. Only one instrument, in the sense this part is just indicates the only trumpet, this part indicates only guitar, this part indicates only violin. Only violin is 20, and only one instrument, in the sense, see, for example, there is some number here and here, okay? Right. So sum of these three numbers is just, it is given as 54, but already 20 is also given, and that's why sum of these two numbers is just 34. Since sum of these two numbers is just 34, so if one number is some unknown value and the other number is the 34 minus x, so I will take that, maybe if the guitar value, if you take it as some x, then this value will become like 34 minus x as per the situation, okay? As per the situation, only violin is 20, okay? Only one instrument is 54. Since only one instrument is 54, sum of the values in these three places is 54. So now if you add these three values, it becomes 54. Since it is 20, we don't know these two values, but the sum of those two values is 34. Take one as x, and automatically other become 34 minus x, okay? Now think about the remaining part. See, according to the data, we have these values, but we don't know the number of persons who are learning all the three. Trumpet, violin, and guitar, we don't know it. So you just take it, that value as some y. This intersection value is y, right? Next thing, T intersection V is 6. Trumpet intersection violin is 6. So trumpet intersection violin is this part, okay? Totally in this part I need to indicate 6, but already how much I indicate? Already y is indicated, so here I need to take 6 minus y, okay? Be careful, okay, while writing all these things. You need to first write this inner one and then that. So first this inner one and then this, okay? This total value, this total region must contain 6. Already y is there, so you need to write 6 minus y in the other region. Whereas V intersection G, violin intersection guitar. See, this is violin circle, this is guitar circle, and this region represents violin intersection guitar, and that is 8. Already Y is there, you need to take here, it is 8 minus Y. Again this region has given 10, Y is there, you just take it as 10 minus Y. Okay. So now at the end, that is the Venn diagram using these three statements as well as these two. Now we need to use everything one by one. Okay. Now first of all, you just think about the circle corresponding to Y. If you think about the circle corresponding to Y, n of Y is given as 30. That in the sense, all the four regions which involved in that violin circle gives us 30. So try to add all those values. So it's very simple. If you add all these four values, okay, 6 plus 8 is how much? 14 plus 20 is 34, and 1 minus Y and plus Y will get cancelled. So if you add these four values, that is 34 minus Y. So that indicates n of V. So this 30 must equals to 34 minus Y from the Venn diagram. So 30 is equals to 34 minus Y clearly gives us Y is equals to 4. Actually we don't know Y. So we found now that Y as 4. Okay. The number of persons who are learning all the three, trumpet, violin and guitar is Y, and that Y is 4. So here now you need to replace with Y. Okay. So here the question is about find the number of persons. See, you need to find the total number of students involved in the music school, right? Y is 4, and the next task we need to find about what? We need to find X. So for that X, what I will do? You just go with any other circle like guitar circle or trumpet circle. You just think about guitar circle. If you are searching, thinking about the guitar circle, the total number of persons who are learning guitar is 32. So add these four values and equalize it to 32. So while adding these two values, Y and Y will get cancelled. At the end you will get that 18 minus Y plus X is equals to 32. Is it clear? 10 minus Y plus Y is 10. 10 plus 8, 18 minus Y plus X. So sum of these four values is the persons who are learning guitar, which is 32. And I found it Y as 4. So replace Y with 4. So 18 minus 4 plus X is equals to 32. 18 minus 4 is how much? 14. We need X. So X is equals to 32 minus 14. And 32 minus 14 is simply 18. Is it clear? Okay. So at the end X is equals to 18. So I have X, I have Y, everything. So after having X and Y, replace everything with that X and Y values. So now you just leave about this X, replace it with 18. You just leave about this 34 minus X and replace this 34 minus X, means 34 minus 18. How much you may get? 16, right? 16. And then Y is 4, right? So here this value is 4. 6 minus 4 value is 2. 10 minus 4 value is 6. 8 minus 4 value is 4. Now at the end we need to count the total number of students in the music school, which is nothing but we need to add the numbers in each and every region. So add all these numbers. If you add all these numbers, I will start adding, okay? You just think about it. 16 plus 2 is 18 plus 20 is 38 plus 4 is 42 plus 4 is 46 plus 6 is 52 plus 18 is 70. Okay, at the end if you add the numbers in all the regions is 70, which indicates that the total number of students in the music school is 70. That's one part. And another question is the number of students who are learning trumpet and guitar but not violin. Trumpet and guitar but not violin just indicates trumpet and guitar but not violin is just indicated by this region, and that number is clearly 6. Okay, so the region which is there in the trumpet circle, which is there in the guitar circle but not there in the violin circle is this part. Okay, so this region contains a dan 6. So that 6 is answer for the second bit of the problem. Just have a look. The problem, this is all the given data of the problem, and we solved it just by sketching its Venn diagram. It's completely an analyzation task. Okay, no formula helps you here to solve. You need to understand the situation, you need to analyze the question, and you need to solve it, right? And then your answers are see the total number of students in the music school are 70, and the number of students who are learning trumpet and guitar but not violin is 6, right? Just have a look. Just think about it. Try to analyze the problem.